Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a 2020 laundry routine and getting all of the laundry done in my house.
The right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now.
So if you are super backed up with laundry or just need some motivation, stay tuned.
I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about laundry. I have so much laundry to do, it is ridiculous. I actually have a really good laundry routine when I stick to it, where I do one load a day, start to finish, but you guys, life happened. So today's video is just going to be a ton of a laundry motivation. So make sure you stay tuned if you need to get your laundry tackled too. But before I get too far into this video, I wanted to let you know that today's video is super special because it is a collab with my new friend here on YouTube. Her name is Hope, and her channel is At Home with Hope, and she is such a sweet person. I love the content that she puts out. I've been following her for a little while now, and she does a lot of like cleaning motivation. I'm actually going to stick some footage in right here so you guys can check her out. So today's video is in collaboration with my friend Hope from over at Home with Hope. And you guys, she shares so much motivating content on her channel. I'm going to leave her link to her video and her channel in the description box below. Don't forget to go check out her video when you're done with mine. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to her channel and show her some love. All right, you guys. So enough of the chit chat because I need to get my laundry tackled. So without further ado, let's jump into it. I'm gonna actually go into my bedroom. I'm gonna fold the little laundry that I have in there. I also have a load that is already done and folded. It needs to be put away. And then we're gonna check out the situation in my laundry room. I'm kind of scared to go down there. I have so much laundry, you guys. I hope you're ready for this. All right, you guys, we are jumping into all of the laundry today. So this video is packed with laundry motivation. I just got so behind on so much of my laundry. So I'm going to leave a link to a video down below. It is my laundry system when I'm on top of everything. It's a one load a day, but sometimes you guys, it just depends on the season of life that you're in. And this was a day that I just needed to tackle it all and get it all done. If you're coming over from Hope's channel, I just want to say hi, I'm Brittany. I am a full-time work from the home mom. I have two little boys, Liam, who is 6, he just turned 6, and Caleb, who is 3. And my husband and I have been happily married for almost 8 years now. I share a lot of motherhood lifestyle content on my channel, and this year we are embarking on a homeschool journey. So I am a full-time work from the home mom. I homeschool, and I obviously do YouTube too. So I hope you guys will hit that red subscribe button and stick around. If you are new or you are coming over from Hope's channel, let me know down below where you are from and what your name is. I love to engage and get to know some of my subscribers. So let me know down below if you're new so that I can give you a proper welcome.
I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get them out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's...
So honestly, usually my favorite thing to do during laundry is to either put on one of my favorite YouTubers. Right now I was actually watching Ashley from Grace and Grit. She is a newer channel that I found, and I'm following her because I am really much into watching mamas that homeschool right now, and so I have been watching her. I absolutely love her channel, so check her out if you're a homeschooling mama. Or I listen to Audible books. And this right now, I have been listening to The Call of the Wild and Free. It is about homeschooling your children or just schooling your children in general. It is really good. I highly recommend the book. Even if you're not a homeschooling family, just gives you a totally different outlook on your children and just society in general these days. And so highly, highly, highly recommend it. It's an amazing book. So and now I'm just jumping down into my laundry room so I can start another load of laundry. Lately, I have been using Gain. I love the original scent. I actually like a lot of the Gain scents, but this is just what we have been using lately. I picked this one up from Target Drive Up, but I will get big bottles at Sam's Club as well. The second bottle that I have sitting on my shelf is from Sam's Club. And then I just use the Gain fabric softener. I actually never used to use fabric softener until we got our new washer and dryer. It is an LG washer and dryer, and you guys, life changing. The drums are just so much bigger, so I can do so much more laundry at once. It is absolutely amazing. So I am just showing you all of the laundry that is here in my laundry room that I still have to wash once these loads are finished.
There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars.
Alright, so you have to let me know down below. Are you one of those that loves laundry? You hate laundry? Do you have a laundry routine? Do you fly by the seat of your pants? I want to know how, when, where. Give me all the details, because I always think it's so interesting when people, like, what kind of routines they have, if they have a routine, if they like laundry. I feel like there are certain chores that everybody can't stand, like that, like one or two things that just never ends. For me, it's laundry and my dishes. They're always backed up. I mean, I always do them multiple times throughout the day, but I feel like every time you turn around, it's just never done. So unless you do all of your laundry in one day, it's never fully completed. So let me know how you guys feel about that down below.
No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, no, no. We don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. We don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, no, no. We don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, no, no. Yeah.
Okay, so typically down in here, this is our washer and dryer. It is an LG, and it does come with an app, so I'm going to show you guys how I monitor the laundry and when it will be done. This laundry sign, I think it's from the Target Dollar Spot. This I have had, and we use wool dryer balls. This is just from Target Dollar Spot 2 from a long time ago. And then I keep all of our laundry soap over here. I usually use Gain and then Gain fabric softener, but I do have Thieves as well. And then we have one laundry basket down here in the laundry room. Typically what I'll do is I'll bring my loads down, I'll put the towels in there, and then I'll put the clothes in there and wash it. And then when that fills up with towels, then I do that wash. And then I have 2 laundry baskets, and that's pretty much like how we keep track of all of our laundry. I am usually a once a day, throw it in, put it in the dryer, and I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna show you guys the app so I keep track of it. And then that's kind of how I do it. I'll load it at night, put all of the soap in and lock it, and I'll hit this remote start, and then I start it from my app in the morning. And then up here we just have some bleach and just some extra stuff. Like that's full of socks, I really should go through that. Then extra rags and stuff. And then we do have a laundry line, clothesline outside. So I have these just in a mason jar and then a cute little plant. So we're gonna get this laundry back in order. Okay, so this is the app on my phone, and it's specifically for our washer and dryer. So it's gonna tell me here how much time is left on the dryer and how much time is left on the washer. And then it will send a notification to my phone when it is done. It also sends a notification to my watch. So it'll say like, switch your laundry over, or your washer's done. So that is what I followed. And then in the morning, this would say start and have a start button for me to be able to push if I had it loaded and remote started from the night before. As you saw before, a lot of the time I like to fold laundry in my master bedroom, and the reason for that is because I can just lay everything out on my bed, and all of our bedrooms are on the 2nd floor, and then I can just put everything away right away. But this is now later in the night, so after dinner and after the boys are in bed. So if they're already in bed, I know I can't put the laundry away except for like in my room in the hallway. So I usually just fold it downstairs on the sofa, and typically I'm again just catching up on some YouTubers, listening to an Audible book, or watching a show that I'm watching. Right now I am watching Big Brother, and when The Bachelor comes back on, I will watch that. I typically watch like Grey's Anatomy in the fall. Let me know down below if there's any TV shows coming back that you're super excited for. The way you used to hold me, like a song in the water singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way the way you used to hold me. Like a sword in the water singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget
looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my
Alright, you guys, that is going to be it for that laundry routine video. That last load that you saw me throw in the dryer, I will fold that in the morning. And then the load that I threw in the washer, I didn't like do anything with it. It's just a bunch of towels, so I'll collect them over the next like day or so, put them in, and then probably do that load on Friday, unless I throw some blankets in tomorrow. That's quite possible, and then I'll just run it tomorrow. But I am definitely as exhausted as I look. That took all day. It is literally 9 o'clock at night, 10 o'clock at night, 9:52. I am so tired, but I hope that gave you guys some motivation, and that is exactly why I do one laundry a day, one load from start to finish, even putting it away, so that it doesn't get backed up like that and I don't have to deal with it all in one day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go check out my friend Hope's video. Remember, her link to her channel and her video will be down in the description box below. If you were coming over from her channel, I hope that you hit that red subscribe button, you stick around, or if you're new here, I hope you hit that red subscribe button and stick around. We will see you guys in our next video. I post typically always on Sundays and Thursdays, and sometimes I do a bonus video on Tuesdays. They typically all go up at 11 a.m. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. Again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. We'll see you guys next time.
Don't you know that you're beautiful?